Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Champagne. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to join me on my journey to become debt-free. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, hit that like button, and leave me a comment below letting me know that you're new here. Today I will be stuffing week 2 of February in the amount of $276. I do have my cash already set up here. So let's start by unstuffing my cash envelopes. I did pretty much spend my money this week. I did have some money left over in gas though, but that's pretty much all I have left over. So I do have 5, 10, 15, 16, and 17. My gas money rolls over to my savings challenges, which goes towards my savings and to pay off debt. Food, I did take my girlfriend out to have poke this week instead of eating the lunch I took to work. So that cost about $40, I believe. So it's going to take up what's left over in my food envelope. I did buy some Girl Scout cookies. I couldn't help myself, so that was the 5. I had the 20 left over. So the 20 will go to the side to pay myself back, or to pay my credit card back, rather. Beauty rolls over continuously. This is the envelope I used to get my hair done. I was getting my nails done at one point, but I stopped so they can grow out and get a little healthier and a little stronger. So beauty will continue to roll over. Spending will also go with this $20 to pay for the lunch that I had, although it was amazing. I did regret it after the fact just for spending the money. I've been doing pretty good for the last couple of weeks of having this money still left over to go towards my debt and savings, but this week it was all gone. I believe by Tuesday it was gone. Monday or Tuesday, beginning of the week, spent it. So to refill my cash envelopes, I will be getting 50 for gas. I do fill up every Saturday, regardless of where my gas tank is at. That's how I do have rollover money. I'm thinking about lowering this. I've kept it this amount, even though I have money left over every week, because it gives me almost guaranteed money that I'll have saved. But again, depending on where I'm driving to, if I'm just going to and from work, I have money left over. If I'm going anywhere else, I spend a little bit more. Food will get its 25. I'm kind of on a challenging myself to not spend this money this week. But anytime I go to the store or any of my co-workers, kids, or daughters that are selling Girl Scout cookies, that is my weakness. And so I will probably spend this if somebody approaches me with Girl Scout cookies. Beauty will be getting its $25 as well. I do have a hair appointment in March, and so this will be pretty much depleted when that comes. But for now, Beauty has 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 95, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So 114. Spending will be getting its 20, and thankfully I did start this spending envelope, or else I would not be able to cover the money that I spent on lunch. I will leave that change in there for now. And then moving on to my long-term savings, or my long-term cash envelopes. These are ones that I'm saving that won't be due for another year or so. Some subscriptions, car registration, things like that, that are not due in the near future, but the further out future. So car registration will not be getting stuffed today. My nursing license will not be getting stuffed. Moving, this is one of the closest ones that'll be coming up. So I'm thinking about moving in the summertime. So I'm just trying to get this money bulked up. California is pretty expensive, and so they usually want the deposit plus first month's rent. Being my situation, I do need a 4-bedroom, and so I'm looking at maybe between $7,000 and $8,000 just to move into a place with the deposit and first month's rent. So We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 600, 650, 651, and 652. Welk fees will be getting its 40. And this is for maintenance fees. I do have a timeshare. Timeshare is actually paid off, but every other year I have to pay the maintenance fees for it. And so it comes up to about between $1,650 and $1,700. So I just want to say for that, it will be due again in 2023. And so I'm just getting ready for it. And so now we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 220, 240. In the past, it's usually just hit, and I've had to put it on my credit card or make quarterly payments on it. And so this time I would like to just pay it right when it's due and not have to worry about it. P.O. Box will be getting $6. We have 5 and 6. So now that my P.O. Box has 10, 15, 20, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30 in my P.O. Box. My Amazon Prime will be getting 5. I learned my lesson, hopefully, with Amazon Prime. I thought I was coming into the new year with all my credit cards and everything paid off. Woke up on the 1st of January and realized that Amazon Prime had charged me $130. So needless to say, I was a tad bit annoyed and upset. So this time I'm going to save up for it so I do not wake up annoyed and upset again because they charged me. I will already have the money saved up. So now we have 10 and 15 to go towards my Amazon Prime. That loan will not be getting anything. Next, we have binder or my cash envelopes that I use more frequently. I will be taking some of this money out because my sister-in-law's baby shower will be tomorrow, and I did spend some money on that. And then I need to take money out of my birthday envelope because my niece's birthday, she just turned 5 years old. She had a birthday today, so I need to take out the money for her gift and pay back my credit card. Then I have a couple other birthdays coming up. So, but today, actually, family's not getting anything today. Fun will be getting 10. And so now Fun will have 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, and 70. I already filled out my slips here. Let's see, birthday will be getting 10, but like I said, I will be taking some of this money out to cover my niece's birthday, and I do have some other birthdays that are coming up that I will be spending money on. But right now, birthdays has 100, 120, 130, 140, 145. I know I've mentioned it in my other videos, but if you are new here, you will see that some of my envelopes have prop money. And the reason is because I don't want to keep too much money in my envelope. So I put prop money in when it gets to a certain amount, and I put the rest into my savings account, which is at an alley, just to earn a little bit of interest while I'm saving up and while it's just sitting there when I'm not using it. But medical will be getting 10. So medical now has 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 300, 305. I'm thinking about making that my goal. I didn't set a goal for how much I wanted these envelopes to kind of stay at. I don't go to the doctors very often, thank gosh, knock on wood. And then there's not many I don't have any prescriptions actually. And so the only things I buy are like the Tylenols and ibuprofen, things like that. So I'm thinking 300 might be a good amount to have as my goal right now. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is 300 a good amount, or should I save maybe up to 500? But yeah, definitely let me know in the comments what you think. But right now, medical has 305. Clothes will not be getting stuffed. Support small will be getting 10. So now support small has 15. Car maintenance will be getting 15. I do need to get my brakes and tires looked at. So this will probably be getting used, and I will probably have to go into the negative, depending on if I need to get tires or not and how much my brakes will be. But right now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 25, 35, 140 in my car maintenance. Hopefully I don't need to get tires or anything. I feel like I just got them. I could be wrong, but I feel like I just got tires not too long ago. But who knows? Tend to forget a lot of things. So before I end this video, I do want to say again, thank you to all my subscribers. I am inching close to 500. I do plan on having a 500 subscriber giveaway just to thank you guys for all your amazing support and everything. I truly appreciate you. I've been having so much fun with this channel. I have met some amazing YouTubers, budgeters, cash stuffers, just people that just uplift me, and just make me want to continue to fight with this, not fight, but just continue my journey, as far as paying off my debt and just really sticking to my budget. I am learning so much from a lot of these YouTubers, and so please go and watch. Some of my favorites are The Mom Life, Chrissy, she's amazing. I love her. Denise at D versus Debt, Brina at Brina with a Twist. Please go watch Shy at Mom Talks and Budgets, and over at Making Money Moves. There are so many people that, I watch their videos and I just appreciate what they offer the community and what they offer me as far as, inspiring me and just motivating me the way that they do. And so again, thank you so much for your dedication to me, joining me, whatever the name is. It is pretty late, so I apologize. It's about 1:30 in the morning here, but thank you so much, and look out for those 500 subscribers, and we'll get this giveaway going. So thank you again so much, you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye.